Okay, so next question. The diagrams below shows the reproductive system of a flower and a female reproductive system. Now there are many of such questions comparing the plant sexual reproduction system and the human reproduction system. So you must know both systems well in order to answer this. So let's do a little revision. What is A? A is the anther. Anther is where the pollen grains are stored. Okay, so that's the anther. Right, you must know this. And how do you know it's an anther? Because it's connected to the filament, which is not connected to the ovary. So it's on its own, okay, connected to the base of the flower, and therefore it is the anther. B is the stigma. Alright, the stigma is where the pollen grains would land, alright, and sticks itself there. Very easy to remember. Stigma, pollen grain, sticks, right? And you know this is the stigma because it's connected directly to the ovary and the ovules. Okay, C is the style. Okay, the stigma is connected to the style, and the style is connected to the ovary. Alright, all directly connected. Okay, and like I said just now, the D is the filament. Okay, we know this. In fact, if you don't know this, you must know this already. Okay, now F, the whole big thing here, this is the ovary. The ovary is what will turn to become the fruit. Alright, and E is the ovules. Okay, the ovules will become the seeds. Alright, so if the ovules become the seeds, let's count here how many ovules it has. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sorry, 8. So very easy, 8 ovules. That would mean that there would be roughly about 8 seeds in the flower when it becomes fertilized. The ovary will become the fruit. The ovules will become the seeds. Now for the human reproductive system, X, this is the womb. Okay, X is the womb. This is where the baby will develop. In case you don't know this already, alright, just note that X is the womb. Okay, Y is the ovary. This is where all the human eggs are stored and released, right, about once a month. Okay, and Z is the vagina. Okay, the vagina is where sperm is released, okay, by the penis. Alright, so you must know all this already, alright, in order to answer this question. Now, which part of the two systems produce the female sex cells for fertilization? Which part of the two systems produce the female sex cells? Now, this is where, again, you must already know, okay, because this is a knowledge question. The male sex cells in the human is contained and delivered by the sperm, alright? And the female sex cells of the humans, okay, is also known as the egg, alright? Whereas in the flowering plant, the male sex cells is carried by the anther. By the pollen. Alright, so anther is where the pollen is stored. The pollen is stored in the anther. And the female sex cells is where the female sex cells is actually the ovules, okay, which is found in the ovary of the flower. Alright, so hence you have your answer, right? In the flower, which part produce the female sex cells for fertilization? In the flower, the answer is F. The ovary produce the ovules, and in the female, the eggs is produced by the ovary too, which is Y, right? Okay, so very easy question. This is actually a revision. Okay, and this is a knowledge question. It means you must know in order to answer the knowledge question. Okay, if you don't know this, please refer to your textbooks, okay, textbook and your activity book, and so that you can revise. All right, you must know this. Okay, the next part of the question. Diagram below shows a flower and 3 fruits, A, B, and C. So look at the flower, look at the ovary. Remember, the ovary will become fruits. Alright, so the ovary will become the fruit. Okay, and the ovule will become the seed. Okay, so this is something that you must know already. If you don't, then remember this from now onwards, especially on Tuesday. Okay, alright, so ovary will become fruit and ovule will become seed. So this, see how many seeds there are. There are lots and lots of seeds. If I can just zoom onto this, let's see. Alright, there's many seeds there. So if there are many seeds there, that means there must be many ovules, right? So it can't be A. It can't be A. Why can't it be A? Because A only has 2 seeds. Alright, so it can't be A. Alright, I will put it like that. It can't be C, because C there's only 4, whereas there's more than 4 seeds here. So the answer is fruit B. Okay, so the answer is as simple as fruit B. Okay, so with that, thank you very much. If you disagree with my answers, let's discuss this at tinyurl.com/askmrzaki. If you agree with this, go to that website and say, yes, Mr. Zaki, I understand your answers. Okay, with that, that completes this paper, practice revision 1. I'll be uploading more in these next few hours. So do come back and check them out. Thank you.